In this video, I'll guide you through how to create permission set groups in Salesforce. Permission set groups are a powerful way to streamline user access management by bundling multiple permission sets together, making it easier to assign a comprehensive set of permissions to different users or roles. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or just starting to navigate the platform, this tutorial will help you efficiently manage permissions. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce setup. Once you're there, look for the Permission Set Groups as option. If you're unfamiliar, you can find this by entering Permission Set Groups in the Quick Find box, which is located at the top left of the setup page. Once you've located it, click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Permission Set Groups section, you'll see an option to create a new group. To do that, click on the New Permission Set Group button. This is where you'll start organizing your permission sets into a cohesive group. You'll be prompted to enter a label for your new permission set group. Let's say you want to create a group specifically for your sales team. You might name it something like Sales Specialist Bundle. Give it a meaningful name that will make it easy to identify its purpose at a glance. Once you've entered the label, click Save to create your new group. With your permission set group created, the next step is to add individual permission sets to this group. To do this, look for the Permission Sets in Groups section. Once you've found it, click on Add Permission Set. This is where you'll select the individual permission sets that you want to combine into your new group. A list of available permission sets will appear. Go through this list and check the boxes next to each permission set you want to include in your group. It's important to carefully select the permission sets that align with the roles or functions you're targeting. For instance, if this group is for sales specialists, you might include permission sets that provide access to sales reports, customer relationship management tools, or any other resources they might need. Once you've selected all the relevant permission sets, click the Add button. This action will bundle your selected permission sets into the new group. After clicking Add, you'll then be taken back to the main page of your permission set group. Here, you should see all your selected permission sets listed under your new group name, ensuring that they are correctly bundled together. Finally, to complete the process, click Done. This confirms that your permission set group has been successfully created and configured. Now you have a streamlined way to assign multiple permissions to users or roles with just a single group. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of errors when managing user permissions. And there you have it. You've successfully created a permission set group in Salesforce. This simple yet effective method will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency in managing user permissions. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, using permission set groups can greatly simplify the process of assigning permissions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks.